In this video, we are going to show you how to combine postage for multiple items. First, find a product that you'd like to purchase. From the item page, enter the quantity you would like and press Add to Cart. Once the item is added to your cart, you can continue shopping for other items that you want. Enter the quantity that you would like and press Add to Cart. You can continue adding as many products as you'd like. Once you're ready to complete your purchase, press the Request Total from Seller button. You'll then be able to add a message to the seller, such as, "Please combine my postage." Finally, you'll need to press the blue Commit to Buy and Submit Request button. eBay will send a message to the seller asking them to confirm a combined total. Once the seller replies, you'll receive an email from eBay with a combined invoice that you can pay. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Feel free to share it with your friends or customers.